$699. Paris and Amsterdam 6-night trip, save $450. Spend 6 nights exploring 2 of Europe's most beautiful cities, while saving $450. Why we love this deal? Admire timeless monuments across Paris and grab a seat in one of the many cozy cafes that dot the cityscape. Then journey to Amsterdam to explore its labyrinth of canals and world-renowned museums. What's included in this $699 per person deal? International airfare to Paris, return from Amsterdam. 6 nights at well-reviewed 4-star hotels with daily breakfast. 3 nights in Paris. 3 nights in Amsterdam. High-speed train from Paris to Amsterdam. Air and hotel taxes. When to go? Depart on select dates in November 2022, March 2023 from Boston, Chicago, Miami, Newark, New York City, San Francisco, and Washington, D.C. Surrounding dates into September 2023 are also on sale, starting at plus $100. Additional departures: Atlanta, Denver, Detroit, Houston, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, and Orlando departures are available, starting at plus $190. Dates and prices vary by city. Additional itineraries. This deal is a part of a larger sale on European packages, including trips that add on Berlin, Prague, or Budapest. Book by November 3,